The day before reports of pullback of troops at the Galwan Valley site where Indian and Chinese soldiers clashed, the Ministry of External Affairs informed that National Security Advisor Ajit Doval had a telephonic conversation with Chinese Foreign Minister and China's State Councillor Wang Yi. Both agreed that maintaining peace at the border is essential to further bilateral relations and that the two sides should not allow differences to become disputes. In the first signs of disengagement between Indian and Chinese troops on the line of actual control in Ladakh, the soldiers of both sides have started moving back at PP-14 in Galwan area. Similar movement from the two parties is also expected at the other two standoff sites of PP-15 and PP-17A in the Hot Springs sector. This climb down happened 5 days after the Corps commander level talks agreed on a step-by-step de-escalation. Under this, both sides were supposed to withdraw manpower and structures, and a verification was to be done by July 5. BJP's JP Nadda on Monday took a fresh jibe at Congress leader Rahul Gandhi over the ongoing India-China border dispute, saying that the latter has not attended a single meeting of Parliament's Standing Committee on Defence but continues to demoralise the nation and question the valour of armed forces. This after Gandhi claimed on Saturday that patriotic Ladakhis were raising their voice against Chinese intrusion and said that ignoring their warning would cost India dearly. National Human Rights Commission has shot a notice to Union Human Resources Development Ministry and Government of Bihar over reported plight of poor children due to non-supply of midday meal in Bhagalpur. Due to extended closure of schools induced by the coronavirus pandemic, children who often depended on this meal from school are left scavenging or begging to survive. India has crossed the 7 lakh mark in novel coronavirus cases with 3,827 new cases reported on Monday evening, taking the total number of cases in the country to 7,01,240. Of these, over 2.5 lakhs are active cases and 19,693 are the number of deaths linked to the infectious virus. 3 more Uttar Pradesh policemen have been suspended over allegations of being informants of gangster Vikas Dubey. 2 sub-inspectors and a constable of Kanpur's Chaubepur police station that was attacked by gangster Vikas Dubey and his men on Friday are accused of alerting the criminal to the raid on Friday morning. A case will also be lodged against them in connection with the killing of the cops.